Hey guys, it's your girl AnitraNi and I'm back at it with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using my DYSTYLEZ lashes that was sent to me. So let's take a look and see. So I love the packaging, it's so beautiful. Now we have a thank you card. We have a choice of 2 pens, blue or pink, polka dot. We have a spoolie, which is like an eyelash separator. Then we also have an eyelash applicator. And along with the eyelashes that was sent to me by yours truly, DYSTYLEZ. So the label actually came up, that was because of me. And that would be in the style caution. Look at the packaging, look at the boxing. Look at the quality. Look at the lashes. Look how pretty and beautiful they are. So this is actually what came inside the bag. I just love it. Just take a really good look. I would definitely be leaving a link down below so you can purchase all the lashes that's in my set. So let's just get into the video. I'm not going to be talking too much because I know you want to see everything. So as you guys can tell, I did a lot of my makeup off camera, and I definitely want to disclose I am not a professional makeup artist. I do a lot of trial and error, and I do my makeup according to my liking. Now, if you want to see any creative content, please leave a comment down below. I'm willing to try any new creative ideas, and any product details that I've used in this tutorial I will leave in the description box below. So we're taking another look at all the lashes that was sent to me, and this is in the style Emerald. This is Caution. And now we have in the style Baguette. Now all of DYSTYLEZ lashes are 25 mm and they have up to 25 time use with proper care. Now the lashes that I'll be using for this eyelash tutorial will be in the style Princess. And do you see how much life it's giving me? So now we're going to start applying the eyelashes, and what you want to do is use your favorite eyelash glue and apply from one end of the strip to the other end of the strip. I'm going to take my eyelash applicator and slide the lashes in between the tweezers, and then I'm going to gently pull the eyelash crease back and apply the lashes to my eyelash crease gently. As you see, I am pressing lightly against it until I know the measurement is in its rightfully place. And then with the eyelash applicator, I'm still gently pressing along the crease line. And then once it's applied proper, you're finished. So now I'm going to try the next eye, and with the same method, you're going to line up the lash with your eyelash line, pull the crease back, and you're going to gently apply and gently press, as you see, along the crease line. Yes, I'm going back in, just making sure all the adjustments have been made, making sure the eyelash is secure. And once the eyelashes are secure, we're going to make sure that we go over one more time, and then you're all set. Perfect. So now this is the final look. I forgot to take a video of my whole makeup right after, but this is the final makeup and eyelash look. Look how much life the eyelashes is giving me. Oh my. So if you would like to know any product details that I have used in my tutorial, please read the description box below. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.